Guy man is literally making money simply by sleeping on his bed. Work smarter, not harder. If you've been watching most of my videos before now, you'll definitely realize that I'm a firm believer in dedicating time and effort to building a reliable source of income. However, in today's video, I'm thrilled to share some of the easiest method I consider to be the laziest on the list of side hustles I know. These strategies will enable you to generate passive income without prior experience, and you don't even need any investment. As a matter of fact, I'll be throwing in a bonus strategy by the end of this video. This particular strategy has helped me to generate close to $2,000 in just a single week. So make sure you stay with me all the way through. So let's jump straight into it. The first platform we'll be looking into right now is called guru.com, which you can see right on my screen right now. It's a freelancing website similar to Upwork and Fiverr, but with a unique advantage. People are willing to pay anywhere from $15 to $100 simply for proofreading text. For example, as shown right here, this freelancer charges around $48 per hour just for editing and proofreading. If you look closely on the left side, you will notice our lifetime earnings exceed $400,000. That's nearly $500,000 earned just from editing from home. How beautiful can that be? What's even better is that you don't even need to do the manual work. Instead of spending time proofreading texts, you can leverage the power of AI using ChatGPT. So all you have to do right now is to just head over to chat.openai.com, create a free account, and paste the text you receive from clients into ChatGPT. You can simply instruct the AI to proofread and edit the text, and within just seconds, ChatGPT will process it, correcting grammatical errors and spelling mistakes so that you can submit a polished document back to your client and get paid handsomely. So as I mentioned earlier, people earn between $15 to $100 right on this platform, and with ChatGPT you can complete the work even faster. This will give you an edge over your competitors. This specific idea has the potential of being scaled significantly. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can easily earn $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000 every single month. The second method involves using a website called rev.com. So let me visit that website right now. Specifically, they have a section for freelancer. On rev.com, you can earn money through transcription, captioning, and subtitling. And the great thing is you can do this from anywhere in the world. Whether you are in Nigeria, India, Jamaica, Pakistan, or anywhere else, you'll be able to make money using the strategies I'm covering right in this video. So for this particular method, we'll focus on transcription. If you are not familiar with transcription, it simply involves listening to an audio file and typing out what you hear. This can be podcast, speeches, or any kind of long form audio. All you need is a pair of headphones or speakers and you type exactly what you hear. It's one of the simplest, most relaxed ways to earn right on this list. Rev pays anywhere from $0.30 to $1 per minute, which can really add up. So I want you to think about it. You may have already been listening to different kind of podcasts right from time, trying to educate yourself online and all of that, and you have been listening to them all for free. Now imagine a situation where you get paid simply for doing that same thing. You can earn as much as $30, $60, even $120 just for listening and transcribing what you know into a Word document. But we are going to take this a step further by bringing AI into the drama and allow AI to handle the hard work for you. So I want you to head over to rhythm.com, a website that uses AI to convert audio into text automatically. Instead of spending time listening and typing, you simply upload the audio file here and rhythm.com will transcribe it for you. Once the AI finishes the transcription, you just return to rev.com, submit the work and get paid. Easy peasy. Now before we move ahead to another easy money making strategy, I would like you to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can always stay updated for any money making video I'll be dropping right on this channel. And also, if you have not joined my community of adventurous money makers, you are missing a lot because I've been dropping tons of courses right on that platform, free courses for that matter. I just feel like it's okay to give it out to people so that they can learn a lot of things and make a lot of money online. Now let me show you the third method on this list, which even expose a more passive income for you. As you can see right here, I'm displaying the back end of a faceless YouTube channel with just one video. This YouTuber have managed to generate nearly $4,000 in YouTube ad revenue. The best part is that he posted this video just last year and is still earning money every single day. This is truly one of the most passive methods right on this list. Guy man is literally making money simply by sleeping on his bed. What a lazy guy he is. and this is a work he has done a long time ago. Now let me show you the lazy method he's been using. So to do that, head over to a website called Script AI. This is an AI powered tool that helps you create YouTube scripts quickly, eliminating the need to write them yourself. With Script AI, you can generate a full YouTube script in just minutes. Don't worry, I'm going to include the link to each of these tools right in the description below so you can check them out after watching this video. Once you've generated your script, the next step is to head to 11 Labs. This tool creates realistic human-like voiceovers, which is perfect for faceless videos like this. Just paste the script you got from Script AI into 11 Lab, and within seconds you will have a natural sounding voice ready for your video. Since these videos are faceless, having a high quality voiceover makes all the changes. To complete the process, you want to add visuals along the way, right? So for that, all you have to do is to head over to InVideo, an AI-driven video editing platform. Here you can combine your script and audio with various visuals to create a polished and engaging video. So once it is ready, all you have to do is to upload it to YouTube, and you'll be able to make money not only from ad revenue but also from sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and other streams of income. With consistency, this strategy can bring you a lot of money in the long run. So stay focused, keep creating, and watch as your channel grows into a money-making machine. The next method involves a website called likeforlike.org. How does this work? This site allows you to earn credit by engaging with other users' social media posts. Now let me break it down to you. For instance, if you like someone's post through this website, you will earn a credit that can be used to boost your engagement on social media, whether it's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, LinkedIn, and others. Since this particular video is all about maximizing results, I will not be showing you how to manually like posts. Well, that's too primitive. Instead, I will be showing you the easiest, fastest, and most reliable way. Install Like for Like bot that will automatically be liking other people's posts to earn us credits. And this is passive because this credit can then be used to gain likes, comments, followers, and other forms of engagement on your account. Now you may be wondering, does this even make any sense? How does this even make one money? Well, here's the plan. We are going to create a niche social media account centered around a specific topic like fitness, relationships, spirituality, or making money online. So using the credits from likeforlike.org, we'll grow this account by gaining followers, comments, and engagement. Once this account reaches a significant size, let's say like 10,000 followers, you can sell it on a platform like FameSwap, where social media accounts are in high demand. For example, you will see people selling TikTok accounts with 100,000 followers for nearly $900, or Instagram accounts with 55,000 followers for $500. As you scroll through FameSwap, you will find accounts going for $3,000, $2,500, and even up to $10,000. This is massive, depending on their size and niche. This method allows you to create valuable assets in form of social media accounts with minimal effort, thanks to the Like for Like bot that is working passively for you. I've seen people using this method to make money online since 2015, and it is still highly profitable till today. Now is your best chance to tap into this opportunity. The next method to generating income online requires a platform called 10Web. Essentially, 10Web is an AI-powered website builder that allows you to create a professional website within minutes. All you need to do is visit the website, answer a few questions about the type of website you want to build, and in seconds, the AI will generate a polished, fully functional website for you. One standout feature of 10Web is the ability to duplicate any other website. Just copy the link of any website on the internet, paste it into 10Web, and the AI will replicate the entire layout design. This tool has immense potential, and if used correctly, it can help you earn well over $10,000. This isn't just a claim, it is backed up by real examples. Let's check platforms like Fiverr. You will see freelancers charging anywhere between $25 to $60 per hour for website creation services, with some clients paying between $800 to $2,000 for a single website. Imagine creating a Fiverr profile and offering similar services, but with a huge time-saving advantage. Traditional website developers often take weeks, if not months, to come up with a fully functional website. But you can also build that same website within minutes using 10webs AI. This is a massive opportunity to outsmart other freelancers who are still doing it manually. With AI by your side, you can even take up to 10 to 20 jobs within a month without feeling overwhelmed. As more businesses transition to digital platforms, this strategy can set you apart and help you make a lot of money by helping them to provide the exact kind of website they need in this modern economy. Now let's move on to another incredible passive side hustle you can never think about. It is known as podcast editing. As you can see, professionals like Dave are offering podcast editing services on platforms like Fiverr, charging around $60 for a basic edit, $80 for a 30-minute edit, and up to $140 for a premium package. And this is just the baseline. I've seen editors on other platforms charging as much as $2,300 for podcast editing services. With the rising popularity of podcasts, the demand for editors has skyrocketed as everyone now wants to turn to a podcaster. And if you are thinking like, I don't know how to do this podcast editing, Jare, don't worry, I got you covered. And this time also we'll be leveraging the power of AI. The AI we'll be using this time around is called Clean Voice AI. Clean Voice is specifically designed to streamline podcast editing by automatically removing unwanted sounds, stutters, and filler words, enhancing overall sound quality with just a few clicks. It is perfect for providing clients with top-notch podcast audio without spending hours manually editing. Now, here is how it works. Get a podcast editing gig on a freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Download the audio file from your client and upload it to Clean Voice. Within moments, the AI will process and clean up the podcast audio. You then send the improved audio work back to your client. And this time around, your client will be thrilled for how fast you are able to deliver their job and might even give you some tips. Using Clean Voice will definitely give you a bigger edge over your competitors, because while you are doing 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs, they are still busy with one, doing it manually as usual. But for you, it's no longer business as usual. You'll be able to handle more clients, deliver faster, and potentially be able to make a lot of more money, because this time around you are taking a higher volume of work. This is a game changer. AI has even transformed the way we approach work. It just want to turn everybody to lazy people. I remember back then when I started internet marketing in 2017, we didn't have any of these tools. So if you are watching any of these and have internet access, there's no reason to miss out. You don't have any form of excuse. With these side hustles, financial freedom is within the reach. Finally, let us dive into one of the most basic and lazy side hustle I ever come across in my life. And this is the same side hustle that made me about $2,000 within a single week. Affiliate marketing. This approach is especially powerful if it is paired with content creation, a format that can generate hundreds or tons of traffic to your affiliate link. If you look at my screen right now, you will see my earnings from just one affiliate program, over $180 in one day, close to $2,000 in just a week, and $6,800 in 30 days. Affiliate marketing is hands down the most lucrative method on this list, and it can become your primary income stream. Here is how to get started. First, head over to clickingshorts.com, a tool that creates viral short form content from longer YouTube videos. You simply find a popular or trending long form video like a well-known podcast, paste its link into Clicking Shorts, and it will generate clips that you can distribute across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and even TikTok. The key here is selecting content that are already popular. I'm talking about something that people are currently actively watching. This gives your clip the best chance to go viral, maximizing exposure and engagement. Next, go to affiliate marketplace like Digistore24, Impact, or Clickbank to find products related to the video. Add your affiliate links in the description. Viewers who gain values from the content will definitely go to the description section to click on the affiliate link and probably make purchases, which will generate commissions for you. This way, you are no longer relying on YouTube partnership program. Instead, you are leveraging the power of affiliate marketing directly. If you stay consistent with this method, you are are well on your way to creating a lucrative passive income. Amazon Associates is another big fish in the massive ocean of affiliate marketing. There's a premium course I purchased about it. Luckily for you, I'll be giving it out for you for free in my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. The link is right in the description below. Ensure you click on it to join my community of adventurous money makers. If you are looking for even more strategies to make money online, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I've got tons of valuable videos coming up in the coming week and you can't afford to miss that. And if you are not done learning for today, check out this next video where I display exactly how you can get paid simply for doing simple tasks while you relax. Whatever you do, never stop making money.